In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and export your keyboard shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro. Knowing how to tweak and transfer your shortcuts can significantly enhance your editing efficiency and make your workflow much smoother, especially if you work across different machines. To begin with, let's dive right into the process of customizing your shortcuts. If you're using a Windows system, navigate to the Edit menu. There, look for the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts and give that a click. If you're on a Mac OS device, you will find this under Premiere Pro in the top menu, then move to Keyboard Shortcuts from the drop-down list. This opens the Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box, a powerful tool in the editor's arsenal because it lets you tailor the software to fit your specific needs. Once inside, you have the freedom to modify the key bindings to better suit your personal editing style. Perhaps there are certain commands you use more frequently and you'd like to make them easier to access. Take your time to make these adjustments, ensuring you're setting up a layout that maximizes your productivity. Once you're satisfied, look for the Save As the button within that dialog box and click it. This action allows you to save your customized configuration. Give your key set a memorable yet descriptive name that will help you remember its function later on. What this does is create a .keys file, which stands for Keyboard Shortcut, and that .keys file contains all of your new customizations. Now comes the part where you might want to export the file, especially if you plan on using these custom shortcuts on another machine or as a backup. You will need to manually locate the folder where it's stored. For those on a Windows machine, a typical path would be through your File Explorer to C+Users, your name. Documents, Adobe/Premiere Pro version. Keyboard shortcuts. Keeping this file safe is crucial, so I highly recommend copying it to a secondary location, such as a backup folder on your hard drive or perhaps a USB drive. This ensures your shortcuts are protected against any potential data loss on your main system. When you're ready to transfer your shortcuts to a different computer, paste this .keys file into the same directory path on the new device. Once this is done, fire up Adobe Premiere Pro, access the keyboard shortcuts via the same method we discussed earlier, and select your custom shortcuts set from the drop-down list. And there you go! With these steps, you should have your customized editing shortcuts up and running, providing a seamless transition between different workstations. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for enhancing your Adobe Premiere Pro experience.